Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best baby cradle cap brush is probably one of the most important tools for parents dealing with cradle cap, that frustrating scaly condition that affects many newborns. Finding the right brush can make a world of difference in gently removing those pesky scales and soothing your baby's delicate scalp, without causing irritation or discomfort. Today, we're diving into the world of baby brushes, reviewing the top contenders to help you choose the perfect one for your little one. Number 5. FridaBaby DermaFrida SkinSoother. It's 100% silicone, so it's gentle on baby's delicate skin. It's also super easy to clean, unlike those smelly washcloths. This brush gently removes cradle cap and other dry skin. Bath time just got easier and more effective. The soft bristles and massage beads make bath time relaxing for both you and your little one. It's like a mini spa treatment. It has a handy suction cup, so it stays put and dries quickly. No more dripping wet cloths. Made from safe, durable silicone, it's the perfect addition to your baby's bath time routine. One brush is all you need. What we like? It's made of silicone, so it's super easy to clean and sanitize. Plus, it has a handy suction cup so it's always within reach during bath time. If you're looking for a hygienic and convenient solution for cradle cap, this is the one for you. What people say. The silicone bristles are super soft and easy to clean, and it fits perfectly in my hand, making it so simple to use. After just a few uses, I noticed a significant improvement in her scalp, and her skin looks so much healthier. It effectively kept cradle cap at bay and eventually eliminated it altogether. This product has been a lifesaver and a staple in our household. It's sturdy and made of high-quality materials, showing no signs of wear even after 3 years of use with our toddler. The silicone material is easy to clean and doesn't hold onto bacteria like traditional washcloths. Number 4. FridaBaby DermaFrida SkinSoother. It's 100% silicone, making it gentle on even the most sensitive skin. This brush is a must-have for soothing dry skin, cradle cap, and eczema. Bath time just got easier and more enjoyable. Its soft bristles and massage beads create a calming spa-like experience. Unlike washcloths, it's super easy to clean and reuse. Simply rinse it off and it's ready for the next bath. The handy suction cup keeps it stuck to the tub, so it's always there when you need it. No more searching for a dripping washcloth. This convenient set includes 2 brushes and a handy storage case, perfect for keeping it clean and organized, even on the go. Give the gift of soft, healthy skin. It's the perfect present for new parents or baby showers. What like? This one comes with 2 brushes, perfect for when one needs a wash. It's also easy to clean and comes with a convenient storage case. If you need a backup brush and want to keep things organized, this is a great choice. What people say. The silicone bristles are super soft and easy to clean, and it fits perfectly in my hand, making it so simple to use. After just a few uses, I noticed a significant improvement in her scalp, and her skin looks so much healthier. This product has been a lifesaver and a staple in our household. It's sturdy and made of high-quality materials, showing no signs of wear even after 3 years of use with our toddler. Plus, it hasn't absorbed any odors or developed any discoloration. It's so soft and gentle on my little one's skin, yet effective at removing dry skin and cradle cap. The silicone material is easy to clean and doesn't hold onto bacteria like traditional washcloths. Number 3. Safety First Cradle Brush and Comb. Say goodbye to cradle cap with this innovative brush and comb set. It's designed for gentle yet effective removal of those pesky flakes. The unique design fits comfortably in your hand, providing stability and control during use. This makes cradle cap removal quick and easy. The soft rubber bristles are gentle on baby's delicate scalp, loosening flakes without causing irritation. It's designed for maximum comfort. The fine-toothed comb effectively removes stubborn flakes, leaving your baby's scalp clean and healthy. It's the perfect finishing touch. This 2-in-1 tool provides a complete solution for cradle cap. It's the perfect combination of comfort and effectiveness. It slides easily onto your hand for a steady grip. The soft bristles and fine-toothed comb work together to gently remove cradle cap. What we like? It's a 2-in-1 brush and comb, making cradle cap removal efficient. The design allows for a steady grip, and the soft bristles are gentle on baby's scalp. If you prefer a more traditional approach with a firm grip, this is a good option. What people say. The soft, flexible bristles are gentle on my baby's scalp but still super effective at loosening and removing flakes without causing any irritation. It's easy to hold, easy to clean, and works great when paired with a little baby oil or shampoo. I just ran the comb through her dry hair and was amazed at how much came off. I soaked her hair in about 1 teaspoon of baby oil gel, all I had, for about 15 minutes, then started using the nubby blue bristles in circular motions as described in the directions. She loved it and started cooing, so it definitely didn't hurt her. Then I gently combed her hair backwards, to the sides and forwards about 2 to 3 times, then I'd have to wipe off the comb because it would be full of scales. I just repeated that process until her scalp was clear. My baby seemed to enjoy it, and with 15 minutes of gentle effort she went from severe all over cradle cap to baby soft scalp. Number 2. Frida Baby Cradle Cap Kit. This kit is designed to gently treat and prevent cradle cap. It's a 3-step system that will leave your baby's scalp healthy and flake-free. Start by using the soothing shampoo to soften and gently remove existing flakes. It cleanses without harsh chemicals. Next, apply the flake fixer to target and loosen stubborn flakes. It works to prevent future dryness and flaking. Finally, use the hydrating scalp spray to moisturize and protect your baby's delicate scalp. It helps keep it healthy and happy. It's hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, so you can rest assured it's gentle and safe for your little one. It's free of harsh chemicals like phthalates, parabens, and sulfates. With this complete system, you can effectively treat and prevent cradle cap, leaving your baby with a healthy, happy scalp. What we like. This isn't just a brush, it's a complete cradle cap system. It includes a shampoo to soften flakes and a spray to hydrate the scalp. If you want a comprehensive solution to treat and prevent cradle cap, this kit is for you. What people say. With one use the next day the cradle cap had reduced almost 80%. We did not buy the brush that was recommended, we just used our hand to rub it in. This product literally resolved my daughter's cradle cap within 3 washes. Using this shampoo and conditioner with the brush set has helped my bub's cradle cap. After using it a couple times she no longer has cradle cap. Number 1. Baby Silicone Bath Brush Set. This amazing set is perfect for your little one's bath time. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Made from high-quality silicone, it's durable and safe for your baby. It's designed to be easy for little hands to use during bath time. The soft silicone bristles are perfect for gently cleaning and massaging your baby's scalp and body. It's much gentler than nails. It's not just for bath time. It can also be used as a body massager and cleaning tool. It's so versatile. Made with 100% durable and flexible silicone, it's hypoallergenic and eco-friendly. You can feel good about using it on your baby. It gently massages and cleans your baby from head to toe. It makes bath time a fun and enjoyable experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is perfect for any new parent or baby shower. It's a gift they'll truly appreciate. What we like. You get 4 brushes in this set, great for multiple uses or replacements. The soft silicone is gentle on delicate skin and it can even be used as a body massager. If you want a versatile and affordable option, this is a great deal. What people say. Flexible, easy to grip and very, very soft. Comfortable to hold in your palm, easy to clean with soap and water. Soft and easy to hold. It works perfect for baby's head for shower. My kiddo had some cradle cap and this helped a ton. The quality seems really great so far. It's flexible but stiff enough to get the job done. Super easy to hold and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.